there. Thanks for joining me today. My name is JD Cannon, and I'm going to be a presenter today. Actually, the founder of Howick Canada, Howick Rewards Inc., and really excited that you've taken the opportunity just to check out this short, quick little video. And I'm just going to run you through how our cash rewards work, what Howick's all about, and introduce you to our broker partner, just so you know what this is all about. There's no smoke and mirrors here to see. This is just straight value. I'm not going to waste much of your time, so I'm just going to jump into it because I know time's valuable and just tell you what this is all about. So essentially, this is about how Ontario mortgage shoppers are getting paid a cash reward when their mortgage closes, and without a lot of crazy terms and conditions and without affecting their cost of borrowing. That's really important to us because there's other cashback offers out there, and there's a lot of smoke and mirrors around it, a lot of terms and conditions, penalties, you pay higher interest rates. We wanted this to be just a straight value where people were getting real value, and there's no smoke and mirrors and no hidden penalties, etc., etc. So we worked really hard, found a broker partner that wanted to work with us on it to provide this benefit to people in Ontario who are searching for mortgages. So who is this for? Who would benefit from this? Well, people looking to buy a new home would benefit from it. People looking to refinance will benefit from it, and people looking to renew. So if you're looking to buy a new home, as you know, there's a lot of costs associated with getting a mortgage and purchasing a home. And it's really stacked against the buyer, more than we can even begin to understand. There are just numerous fees when you're talking about land transfer taxes, when you're looking at property valuation, evaluating a property, inspecting a property, closing costs. The realtor gets a commission, and if you use a mortgage broker, they get paid from the lending institution. It doesn't affect your cost of borrowing, but the interest rate obviously is still there, and you're paying thousands of dollars. So we wanted to create a benefit where borrowers can get some cash in return for their business, because right now when you go get a mortgage, all you get is a handshake, right? And it's the biggest investment of your life, the biggest purchase of your life, and all you get really is just a thank you and a handshake. So we wanted to give people something to say thank you for bringing your business to us and trusting us with your biggest investment and your biggest purchase. So if you're looking to buy a new home and potentially you could put $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, even $10,000 in your pocket when your mortgage closes, that goes a long way to helping people getting into a home. There might be little renovations that need to be done. Closing costs can be covered out of that. There's so many things you could do with those funds. And again, no crazy terms and conditions, no smoke and mirrors. People looking to refinance, this is a great opportunity, because our broker partner is going to go to work for you and fight to try and get you a great mortgage rate with over 20 lenders. And on top of that, you're going to get this cash reward as well. So this is a great way to get into, your new mortgage. If you're looking to pull money out for a renovation or to pay some bills, getting this cash reward is going to go a long way to helping that. You may not even have to, take as much money out because the cash reward will subsidize that, and you don't pay any, that's you're not borrowing on top of it. There's no extra interest fee, right? In other words, it doesn't affect your cost of borrowing. So, if you're looking to refinance and pull some money out for whatever reason, to take a holiday, to make a purchase, to renovate, this is perfect for you because you're getting additional cash on top of, the money you're going to be pulling out. If you're looking to renew, this is a great opportunity to have, an option to go with a different lender or with a different service. You're going to get paid cash for this when the mortgage closes with our broker partner. So I hope that gives you a strong understanding of really where the value lies in this, but let's dive a little bit deeper into it and get some questions answered here about what's on offer, what the opportunities are, and where we can take this for you. So this is, some of you may have already visited here. This is our landing page when you come to Howick, and you jump in. You can find out what your cash reward is going to be right here. So let's just do a test on that. Let's say we were going to buy a new home, and say that home is $600,000, which I know if you're in Toronto it's fairly inexpensive, but just for the sake of this, just to give you an idea, and say we're going to put 20% down. Some people put less, some people put more, but just for the sake of this, 5 years is the most common term, and a fixed is the most common, and then you just click calculate reward. So as you can see here, you're going to get $3,600. So this is based on your borrowed amount. So if the purchase price is $600 and you're putting $120 down, that's about $480,000 you're going to be borrowing to purchase the house. So you're going to get about $3,600 as a cash reward back when your mortgage closes with our broker partner. Let's say we were refinancing. So say we needed to pull some money out for whatever reason, and your home's worth $450,000, and you still got, oh, what do we got there? We got too many. Let's say your home's worth, let's try a different number. Let's say $650,000. Let's just try that. And say your mortgage balance is still $400,000. Let's just say. So the total amount available inside this, if you're working on the 80% rule, is about $520,000, which means you can probably borrow $120,000. So depending on what that looks like, by the time you refinanced it, you're going to get a cash reward of $3,900. So there's $4,000 you can use to whatever the reason was that you're looking to refinance. And again, our broker's going to go to work and fight for you to get you a better rate or a great rate. So you may be refinancing to get a better rate. And guess what? You're going to get paid a cash reward just to get that rate. You may be refinancing to pull some money out for renovation or whatever. Well, guess what? You're going to have additional cash on top of that that doesn't affect your cost of borrowing. Isn't that really cool? Isn't that, as we say up here, a smarter, faster, more profitable mortgage option, right? If this is something you're interested in doing, down here in the corner, you can barely see this, but if you click on this, you can chat to our live agent. And this goes through to our broker partner, so you're actually speaking to a licensed mortgage agent. That's really important to know because, Howick is not a mortgage company. We're just a cash reward site. We just happen to have a broker partner we work with to get you guys this cash reward benefit. So you can chat to a mortgage agent here live during pretty standard business hours. I think it goes to 8 o'clock at night. So when you get home from work, if you want to chat with someone, you can pick up the phone and give them a call. The phone number's up here. I know it's a little blocked out, but you can call and speak to a live mortgage agent, ask any questions. Or if you just want to go ahead and get started, you can just click right here and do your mortgage application online fast through our mortgage broker's safe, secure online platform. This is the direction that the mortgage industry is trending. All the big lending institutions are wanting to take these applications online so that it can streamline their process. People can get answers faster and just make it quicker, simpler. I've tested this out many times myself. It is a very cool way to do a mortgage application. You go in literally under 5 minutes, you put in all your details, and your mortgage application is started. Our broker partner gets started, and they are processing and making this happen for you and go to work to get you a great rate. So super fast way. It actually speeds up the whole mortgage process by about half the time because this technology is talking back and forth between you and the agent. So if you need to submit documents, it'll let you know what documents you need. You just take a photo of them or scan them, upload them, and the agent will let you know if they've got everything they need and if it's right. It gives you an idea on the timelines when they need them. It talks to you through your text and email sequences to let you know how the process is going, how far along we are, if there's anything they need. It's just a really smarter, simpler way and faster way to get a mortgage, obviously. So that's really super cool. I actually love this platform. Like I said, I've tested it out many times and gone in and played around with it. And it's just a great way to get a mortgage. And you can log in and you can see all your details and see the stage that the mortgage application's at to keep you up to date and informed. No need to pick up the phone call, get put on hold, wait for somebody to call you back. You can see it all in real time. It's all inside there. So really, really super cool. And again, it's safe and secure. And you're dealing with an actual agent, which is really cool. So just some quick questions that we get asked a lot. I've already kind of answered this one. Is Howick Canada a mortgage broker? Well, no, we're not. We're a cash rewards company. And people that use our service to connect to a mortgage broker gets a cash reward from our vendor partners, obviously. A cash reward is basically a payment from our company to our members who have closed a mortgage with our broker partner. How much is the cash reward? The cash reward is based upon a percentage of your total borrowed amount. And our broker partner shares that with us, and we in turn share it with you. And again, you can go to our website and figure out what your cash reward would be based upon that lending amount. Are there any membership fees? So in the interest of being very transparent, we're running a business, so we need to make money somehow. So we do charge a small one-time fee, which gives you a lifetime membership. Our goal is to bring on other services and vendor partners around the housing industry. So people who use services for their home, and try and get them further discounts, cash rewards, coupons, whatever it is. So we're working on that now. And so once you pay the one-time fee, it's a lifetime membership to all that new stuff as we bring it along, all those new values. There are no upfront fees. You don't pay anything upfront. You don't pay any fee, in fact, unless your mortgage is approved and closed with our broker partner. That fee is deducted from your cash reward. So you don't have to pull anything out of your pocket. And again, I'm sure you all understand we're running a business, so we need a few dollars to keep the lights on, and that's all that fee's related to. It helps with some admin costs and processing, and keeps us being able to offer this to our clients. Now, the fee is capped, so even if you were entitled to a $10,000 cash reward, the most you're ever going to pay is $495 for the fee. And some people pay a lot less depending on what that is, but it's capped. It doesn't keep going up and up and up, obviously. Do we give mortgage advice? We do not. And we strongly suggest you always consult a licensed professional when seeking advice about rates and other financial matters pertaining to getting a mortgage, right? What type of mortgages qualify for cash reward? Well, new home buyers, refinance, and renewals. We covered that in the beginning. There are conditions, very limited conditions. Again, we wanted to keep this a true cash value. Really the main conditions is it's on approval of your credit, that your mortgage closes with our broker partner, and that you pay your membership fee and you get the cash reward. Those are the three main ones, obviously. And again, it doesn't affect your cost of borrowing. How long does it take to get the cash reward? So we put in here 60 days upon closing. And the main reason being is we have to wait for that money to filter back through the lender, through our broker, and then to us. So if there's any paperwork issues or whatever, we just allow. But it's not uncommon. Most people will get their cash reward within a few weeks. So we just put 60 days, worst case scenario, basically. We do have a fast cash option. Where you pay a small administration fee and you can get your cash reward right upon closing within 72 hours. As you see here, Fast Cash members, they can get access to the cash within 72 hours. There's a small processing fee. It's not anything significant, but it just allows you to get that cash in your hand right away if, in fact, you need that. And so who's our broker partner? Here they are here, and we're going to visit with them in a bit here, just so that you get an understanding who they are. As you can see here, they're, in the last 2 years running the top private lender award, 2 years running. And does the cash reward affect my cost of borrowing? No, it does not affect your cost of borrowing. So really, really important. Matrix Mortgage Global is our broker partner. We shopped around for a fair few companies. There was a lot that were interested in partnering with us on this. We settled with them just because we really like the direction of their business. We like what we've heard and seen about them from their current existing clients, how hard they work for their clients to get them the best possible solution. And as you can see here, here's 2 years running, they won Private Lending Broker of the Year. So just a really forward-thinking company, a company that really fits our business model, and we found them to be a good fit for what we're doing. Very credible, lots of great reviews about them online, etc., etc. So just a great fit for us. And like us, they really want to give back and help people who are homeowners. Turn the tables on all the fees and charges people get charged to get a mortgage. Here's some reviews, obviously, from people getting these cash rewards. $3,366, best mortgage experience we ever had. It's our third mortgage. $2,228. They seem really happy about it. They're laughing. They're so happy. What an amazing concept. This one's a big one, $7,292. I'm assuming this is, Scarborough. So think about putting that back in your pocket. I can't see this one because my big head's blocking it, but that's a Toronto one. So there it is, $5,012.50. They're just saying it was an amazing process, start to finish, like the online application, etc., etc. So super cool. We're really excited to bring this to people, to bring this opportunity to people, to be able to give them something back for making their biggest purchase and biggest investment. We're hoping to do more with this. We're looking to see where we can take this by working with realtor partners to get some type of cash reward, by working with other companies, home service providers, to get other cash rewards and bonuses and benefits for our clients. We look forward to rolling them out in the near future so that you folks can all benefit from them. As always, if you have any questions, you're welcome to go to our website, click on the little thing down here, ask any questions you want. If you want to call, certainly call on the number that you see on the website, speak to a live agent. And so that's basically the breakdown of how Howick Canada works and what's available. And I hope that clears up, that this is no gimmick. There's no smoke and mirrors. Everyone always asks, what's the catch? Well, the catch is there is no catch. It's a straight value for our members and for the clients of our mortgage broker partner. So again, you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to hearing your reviews and hearing about the cash reward you get and seeing how people how much people can get for a cash reward and what they can do with that money. Really excited to find out more about that from our members as we move along. So thanks so much. Have a great day. Thanks for checking us out and taking the time to tune in. Really happy that we had you here and you had an opportunity to check out this business model. And go online and find out what your cash reward is, and do the online application. It's super cool, real fast and simple. Thanks so much. Have an amazing day.